think today is going to be pretty interesting. It's really windy, so I'm probably going to have to sit on the trolling motor the entire time. Fish. Good one. Can't really fight this wind. That's a solid fish. Like 2.5 pounds. Hit the swim jig. You can tell this is a female. Her fins are all bloody. Top fins are all messed up, making the bed, being on the bed. Thank you, buddy. Hit like 2 cranks in at the end of the cast. There's another fish. 2 in a row, baby. Little guy. Little guy. This might be the male that was with her, because I cast it in like the same spot. Little guy. These bass are just cruising around. Some of them are on beds, some of them are making beds. But my point that I'm trying to make is they're just cruising around looking to eat one last time before they really start spawning. Because as I was fishing yesterday, I saw a few fish on beds, but more cruising around than anything. I was hoping it wouldn't be this windy, I'd get to throw the wacky worm a little bit, but I'm not going to get away with that today. And what's weird is these fish are just hitting at the end of the cast. Like I get a couple cranks in and then they just hit it. They're not really... It's like they're reacting to it. Fish. Little guy. Alright, don't ruin my bait. Thanks. They're eating today. Yesterday I was missing a ton of fish and they were just hooked on the outside of the mouth. Little guy. Thanks. Fish. This is a good one. That's because it's a pike. Better give me my swim jig back. And this, folks, is the reason why you always want to carry a pair of jaw spreaders on you. Oh, I really did a number on this one. I don't even know where my hook is. Oh, there. Got it. not a bad pike, probably like 24 inches. Oh.